as y'all can see, man, me and Richard Lukasic Jr., aka Porter, we had an amazing time doing this business. We make everything fun, man. Let me tell you a little something, man. This morning I woke up in a very disgruntled mood. I was just, frustrated. Came in the shop, listening, talking to this dude. I'm joyous as hell now. Like, ain't nothing can knock my joy off. I'm all off my business partner. So, like, we want y'all to understand, man, this is a fun business. Like, you can have fun just sharing information. Just helping people. We're having fun helping people. Who don't want to get paid to do something like that? You gotta understand, look at this man. Do you see this man? He's crazy. He's hilarious, but he's having fun doing something. So when they tell you, when you do something you love doing, you never work a day. That's why this is not hard work for us. When people say, oh, y'all taking the easy way out. Why? Because it's fun for us? Because we laugh, we joke around about it? Man, this is hard work for real, for real. But we just love the hard work. So now we're not really working. We're just doing what we love to do, man. Get with us, man. Join that Mac wave, man. We about to kill the game, man. Wake up now. Mac love, baby. Let's get it. The Mac wave.